Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is to dive into Google Keep and Gemini. I'm going to share what you can do with Gemini when you connect Google Keep. Basically, with Gemini, you can now create and summarize notes, manage, add, and delete your data from inside Google Keep. Okay, so to get started, jump over to Gemini. Simply type in gemini.google.com. Then navigate down to Settings in the bottom left-hand corner and click on Apps. Now you want to make sure that productivity is turned on. This is going to connect Gemini with all your favorite Google apps. Now, if you're interested in learning how to use Gemini with Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Tasks, I will link dedicated tutorials down below in the description that will dive into what you can do and the connection between Gemini and these different apps. Today, we're going to focus on Google Keep, which is a powerful free note-taking app that anyone with a Google account can access. Okay, so let's navigate over to a new chat and jump down here. And for example, we can add, please summarize my notes. And as you can see, Gemini is going to connect to Google Keep. And here we have a summary of our notes inside Google Keep. If I click on one of these notes, that's going to take me to the note inside of Google Keep. Okay, let's jump back to Gemini and add. Can you add a new note under product ideas called Digital Marketing Ebook? Add the description. This ebook will be an updated version of Go Digital Now and will incorporate more AI tools and strategies. So this is a new note that I want to add under the label Product Ideas. Let's submit this. And again, as you can see, Google Keep is being connected and Gemini has created a new note. You can see that down here, Digital Marketing Ebook, and then the note that I added. Let's come down and add, please summarize all my product idea notes. And Gemini has generated a summary of notes and lists that Gemini has found in Product Idea. We have Product Idea, which is a note, and then Digital Product Idea, which is a list. Pretty cool, huh? Hey guys, just quickly before we get back to this video, I just want to mention my Sheetify CRM, an all-in-one business toolkit and CRM built with Google Sheets and designed for Google users. You can simply manage leads, customers, tasks, engage in email marketing, manage your inventory, tickets, and more. The great part is I've made this Sheetify CRM a one-time payment, no subscriptions, unlimited access, and future updates. If you're interested in learning more, you can find the link to my Sheetify CRM down below in the description. Okay, so with that covered, let's go ahead and get back to this video. Gemini essentially allows you to manage your notes directly from the Gemini interface. Simply chat using text or speak with Gemini. The great thing is you can use this on the go, directly from your mobile device on the Keep app. This will essentially optimize the way that you record and manage your notes. However, that is everything that I wanted to cover in this quick Gemini and Google Keep tutorial. Again, if you're interested in diving deeper into Gemini AI and all the tools and features you can find across your different Google apps, I will add relevant tutorials down below in the description. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.